Join us as we return to Portland's Southeast Hawthorne Boulevard. This time, our walking tour moves beyond the quirky restaurants and shops to the green, garden-filled neighborhoods, where you'll find the campus of Western Seminary. In today's video, I'll share a walking tour of the campus. It's a great stop on warm summer days as you explore Portland's neighborhoods on foot. If you enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more of the best of the Pacific Northwest. Western Seminary is in Portland's southeast quadrant. It's just a few blocks from Mt Tabor Park to the east, and a mile or so from the heart of the Hawthorne Business District to the west. If you enjoy urban walks in Portland, this is an area rich in places to explore. The campus's centerpiece building is a historic home, built in 1905 or 1906 for Philip Buehner. The seminary bought the property in the 1940s, and they built several other buildings to complete the campus. One of my favorite parts of the campus is an enormous giant sequoia tree. Here's a quick tour around the tree. I'd recommend pairing your campus walk with a walk at Mt Tabor Park, just 5 blocks east. It's a particularly great place to watch the sunset. For more on Mt Tabor, check out our video at the link at upper right. For more on the nearby Hawthorne district, check out our Hawthorne video. And if you'd like to explore more campuses around Portland, check out our video on exploring Reed College during the annual cherry blossom peak bloom. Thanks for joining us for a Portland walking tour, this time on the Western Seminary campus. Remember to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.